Hey everyone, welcome back to Turbo Steak. Today we're stepping into something truly wild and unexpected, the all-new 2026 Ferrari Motorhome Camper. Yes, you heard that right, Ferrari, the legendary Italian supercar brand, has decided to enter the world of luxury motorhomes and camper vans, blending their iconic racing DNA with ultimate travel luxury. This is not just a camper, it's a rolling piece of art, a fusion of speed-inspired design, futuristic technology, and the highest level of comfort imaginable. Starting with the exterior design, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome Camper is unlike anything we've ever seen on the road. Ferrari's signature curves and aerodynamic sculpting are all over this massive machine. The sharp LED matrix headlights are directly inspired by Ferrari's latest supercars, while the front grille carries that unmistakable prancing horse badge. The camper body is sculpted with lightweight carbon fiber panels and aluminum reinforcements, ensuring rigidity while keeping the overall weight down. Sleek air intakes, aggressive side skirting, and a rear diffuser all hint at Ferrari's performance heritage, even though this is a luxury camper. The multi-tone paint finishes with Ferrari's signature Rosso Casa red or customizable shades bring an exotic supercar aura to a vehicle designed for long road trips. Moving to the interior design, this is where Ferrari really flexes its luxury muscle. Step inside, and you're greeted by an atmosphere that feels like a private jet combined with a high-end Ferrari supercar. The cabin features Italian handcrafted leather seats with contrast stitching, Alcantara accents, carbon fiber trim, and even customizable Ferrari racing stripes running through the lounge area. A fully digital panoramic dashboard stretches across the driver's cockpit, displaying navigation, vehicle performance, and entertainment options. The living space includes a smart lounge with reclining sofa seating, a fully equipped gourmet kitchen with Ferrari-designed appliances, a master suite bedroom with adaptive lighting, and a spa-like bathroom with premium fixtures. Everything is voice-activated through Ferrari's AI assistant, making the camper feel futuristic and effortless to operate. On the safety front, Ferrari has ensured that this camper comes with state-of-the-art driver assistance systems. It includes adaptive cruise control, 360-degree surround cameras, lane keeping assist, collision detection with emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. The body structure is reinforced with Ferrari's race-grade safety materials, ensuring maximum protection. Advanced fire suppression and tire pressure monitoring are also built in, giving peace of mind while traveling long distances. When it comes to performance, this is where the Ferrari Motorhome Camper really breaks boundaries. Unlike traditional campers that focus purely on comfort, Ferrari has engineered this beast with a hybrid V8 powertrain, delivering both power and efficiency. It produces around 700 horsepower combined, giving this motorhome a level of performance unheard of in its class. Despite its size, the camper is surprisingly agile thanks to an active suspension system, rear-wheel steering, and Ferrari's legendary traction control. It can cruise effortlessly on highways, tackle winding mountain roads with grace, and even has adjustable driving modes that shift from comfort to sport to track-inspired dynamics. Top speed isn't Ferrari's supercar level, but it's still impressive for a motorhome, around 150 miles per hour, making it easily the fastest luxury camper in the world. Overall, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome Camper is a groundbreaking creation that takes the concept of travel luxury to a completely new level. It's not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about doing it in a vehicle that blends the DNA of a Ferrari supercar with the comfort of a five-star hotel. With its stunning exterior styling, opulent interior, cutting-edge safety, and jaw-dropping performance, this camper sets a new benchmark in the world of automotive luxury. It's designed for those who want the thrill of Ferrari passion while embracing the freedom of road adventures.